This 5-pack of GreaTalent door reinforcement locks adds a serious extra barrier against forced entry, using a solid 3-inch latch and heavy aluminum construction that feels far sturdier than a typical chain or swing bar. Once installed, the lock is easy to operate under pressure, with a simple swing to secure the door and a pinch and slide motion to release it that quickly becomes second nature. The design is especially helpful for homes with curious children, since mounting it high on the frame keeps little hands from opening the door while adults can still use it effortlessly. Installation is straightforward even for a cautious do-it-yourself user, as the included long, heavy-duty screws bite deep into the frame and create a very rigid, reassuring hold. The aluminum alloy body and sand-textured finish give it a clean, modern look that blends in with most trim while also resisting rust, scratches, and everyday wear. Because this is a pack of 5, it is practical for securing multiple exterior or garage entry doors in one go, giving a consistent layer of protection throughout the home.